Today I'm going to show you something most analytics platforms can't do. Connect natively to TikTok, write a query, and have a working dashboard up in just a few minutes. First, we'll go to the Queries tab, and then we'll connect to our data source. TikTok is one of the many native integrations that you can find in Knowi, right here under the Cloud Services. You'll give your data source a unique name, and then you'll select Authenticate. This will open up a pop-up window where you'll sign into your TikTok account. Now I'm ready to start querying my TikTok data. Once in the query builder, you can select which kinds of metrics you want to pull from your TikTok account. You can grab your profile and stats, which is just an overview of your following, followers, video count, things like that. Here are the different fields it will pull. You could do a video list, which is an overview of all of your videos and their metrics on your TikTok account. Or you could do a video query by specific ID, and you can pull these IDs directly from the video list. I'll go ahead and query the video list here. Everything is pre-filled already, so I actually don't need to make any changes to grab the full list of videos from my TikTok account. For my data preview, there's a row for each video, and I can see the view, like, comment, and share count, as well as the time that it was posted and the specific video ID. You could also pull in fields like video title and video description. Under my data strategy, I can select how I want this query to run. I'm going to have it run every day, starting early in the morning. So I've got fresh data first thing when I check my Knowi account. We'll want to give our dataset a name, and then I can create and run. In the data overview page, we'll see that we've wrote a query, we've got our dataset with our video metrics, and we've got our first widget or visualization showing this data. From here, I can create a dashboard with AI by just asking simple questions of my data. The resulting dashboard has a default widget with my raw dataset, as well as a widget for each question I've asked. So here I've got my monthly like count, and here I've got my monthly share count. It also generates an AI recommendations widget, which analyzes my dataset for me and finds some insights with associated recommended action items. If I think of more questions that I want to ask of my data, I could either update the instructions here, or I could use the natural language processing bar at the top. I'll go ahead and ask for the most popular videos. And now it's finding me the top video by ID with the most views. Let's say I want to find the top 5. I'm just going to change that limit to 5 here. And then I can go ahead and visualize this. Now that I've got my TikTok dashboard built out, I can go ahead and set up a scheduled email report. So I have it delivered to my inbox first thing in the morning. I could also have this delivered directly to my Slack channel or a Teams channel. That's it, TikTok data queried and visualized in minutes.